In this video, I will be sharing a fliki.ai coupon code, which will give you a 25% discount for the first month. To get started, head over to fliki.ai using the first link down below in the video description. Next, you need to sign up or log into your account. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Here, click on this upgrade button on the top right. This will show you the different pricing plans of fliki.ai. As you can see, the yearly plan is already offering a 25% discount. But I will go ahead with the monthly plan. For now, I will continue with the premium plan, which generally costs $88 per month. On the checkout page, you'll see this add promo code section. Here, you need to add this coupon code, which is showing on your screen. The coupon code is Fliki February 25th, which will give you a flat 25% discount on your first month payment. Next, you only need to select a payment method here, and then make the purchase. Make sure to use the first link down below in the video description. That is an affiliate link, which will give you the latest offers of fliki.ai. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.